and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and so excited to show you the Double Shot Kit for this month. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So it's a perfect way to keep new products coming into your scrap room every single month. This month's 2 collections are Dear Lizzy, It's All Good, and Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Botanicals. They are both so gorgeous and perfect for all types of scrapbooking and projects. Along with your kit, you'll also receive recipe cards, one for each one of the 2 collections, including cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photo of double page layouts. You can also get all kinds of inspiration on our blog and our Facebook groups from the design team and your fellow subscribers. So be sure to check those out. Let's take a closer look at each one of these collections and everything you'll be receiving this month. First up from Dear Lizzy, we have It's All Good. And you can see right here, it's got the beautiful navy blue and the blue-green, a softer blue-green. And it has all kinds of icons included in it, so it's perfect for scrapbooking your family, your flowers outside. It even has some anchors so you could scrapbook your travel adventures this summer. The ideas are limitless. So your patterned paper is this one called Peachy Keen, and it has the peaches and the peach blossoms on that blue-green. It's just gorgeous. The back is a navy blue check on white. You'll see full branding strips. So this one has a lot of the hashtags with main squeeze, BU, rare and beautiful, blissed out. So you're going to see that hashtag all throughout this collection. This paper is called Seek Magic, and again it has the hashtag with all kinds of words, and then some of them are highlighted in the different colors featured in this collection. Embrace Now, Live Simply, Sweetness, Peachy Keen. The back is a pink and red strawberry on that blue-green, and then the branding strip are anchors on that navy blue. This paper called hashtag Heart This is the confetti of the different colors, and on that navy blue, if you're like me, you love navy blue and you don't see it very often. And then the back is a navy blue anchor on that blue-green, and the branding strip are these gorgeous navy drawn flowers on the white. So that is a look at the patterned paper. So you can see you really could do just about anything with this collection. Your cardstock is 2 sheets of denim and 1 sheet of bubbles. A perfect match for the patterned paper. Your embellishments are going to be 2 of the hashtag paper clips. So the colors will vary in your kits, but this is what they're going to look like. So I got the blue, kind of a turquoisey blue. And then 1 of the 6x12 sticker sheets. So again, this is going to vary. So this one has 3 phrases that you could use as titles or subtitles and banner. Love this sweet little pig you're going to see throughout this collection. And the floral and the rain boot. So again, you can see from the icons on this sticker sheet, there's just such a wide variation of things that you could scrapbook with this collection. So this is It's All Good from Dear Lizzy and American Crafts. Next, we have Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Botanicals, and it is no secret I love Simple Stories, and this collection will not disappoint. If you love florals and butterflies and Simple Stories, then you definitely want to pick this month's Double Shot Kit up. So all of the themes and everything are florals, butterflies, birds, so you can scrapbook anything. You can scrapbook about yourself, your family, things you love, your garden. Just the themes are endless really for this collection. So first up we have this paper called Embrace Life, and it has the hand-drawn sketches of these leaves and then some script text. It's just gorgeous, the little flowers. And then of course the full color photos on each side with some of the butterflies. I love these kind of papers because they are ready to go. You can put just a little photo here or just do journaling and it is finished. You just really don't need to do anything to papers like this. The back side is a green gingham. Then we have this paper called Hello Happy, and it has that same drawn sketches of the butterflies in the background with some touches of watercolor in the pink and the teals, and the butterflies on top. The back is this pink dictionary paper with some of the words that you think about in the summer. So sunny, moment, bloom, sunshine, fly, dream, superb. Then we have this paper called the 3x4 Elements. So let me start on this side. The 3x4 Elements, so it has the 3x4 cut-aparts. It has some of those same things with the drawn plants and then the full watercolor on top. These that look like seed packets. These that are perfect for little journaling spots. Tucking in and making embellishment clusters on top of them, or even fussy cutting some of these florals, butterflies, and then these doilies with the butterflies on those. Just so many ways you can use that paper. And the back has all of these strips that kind of look like washi that you could fussy cut out and tuck in or use it as a border strip, but it has a lot of the different pattern papers from this collection. So lots of ways you can use this paper here. And one more look. Just absolutely love it. For your cardstock, you're going to get 1 sheet of Smoke and 2 sheets of Nixon. And then your embellishments, you're going to get 1 of the chipboard frames. So these are going to vary among the kits. But this is something else that you could do with this paper here, is just pop dot up 1 of the chipboard frames that you get. Put a photo and some journaling, or all journaling, all photos. If you use the 2 photos, you could come down here and just put your journaling here. But look how gorgeous that is, and so simple, so quick. You're also going to get 1 of the 4x6 sticker sheets. Again, these will vary. And then 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So it's full of those gorgeous flowers, butterflies, some more pieces that look like that washi strip, some little birds, as well as some hearts. I have this one that has a phrase on it, be amazing. So that is Simple Vintage Botanicals from Simple Stories. So one more look at your double shot kit. If you love florals, don't miss out on this month's kit. Join us on the Facebook group. Check out what the design team's creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. And don't forget to look in the store for the other products that are available to add in with your order, as well as other kits that are available each and every month. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.